Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your OS5 build and that your desired image is PNG or JPG. This avoids compatibility errors. Once done, make sure to back up the current background to photos or files so you can restore it if needed. Now open Settings, navigate to Display and Brightness, and tap Wallpaper. This immediately places you at the control point. You're not just opening menus, you're preparing the system to accept a new image while keeping a safe fallback. You now pick the image source, photos, files, or a downloaded folder, and select the file you want. Then, use pinch to zoom and drag to position and crop. Toggle between perspective and static to control parallax. Pay attention to contrast and how icons overlay the image because visibility matters for usability. If the system offers brightness or blur adjustments, make those changes and preview on both lock and home screens. Doing this prevents surprises once you set the background. You finish by tapping Set, then choosing Lock, Home, or both. This defines where the new background appears. After applying, verify on both screens. If the image didn't apply, reboot the device and check again. If problems persist, restore the backup you made, free up storage space, and make sure OS5 is updated, because low space or outdated firmware often blocks changes. One key tip: if artifacts or scaling errors remain, try a different image resolution close to your screen's native ratio, then.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.